So that's where we cooked yesterday. Si Camille nag-shoot nun. And she did her best. So wala akong masyadong footage nun. It's with her. And then we'll edit it and hopefully it comes out nice. But now we are moving out. We are going to Chavi's place. And doon naman tayo magluluto. So yesterday ito campsite namin. Ngayon nagligpitan na. So tara.
Perfect. That was a perfect lineup. Okay lang.
Next stop, Baguio Mountain Man's Roof Deck Kitchen. Ready? Yung aking shooter. Kanina kasi pagising.
Nag-resign ako kanina pero
ngayon
counter offer ako. Mas maraming pagkain.
Touchdown Baguio. Alright, dito tayo magsa-stay for the night. And bukas mag-golf tayo. First time ko maglaro dito. Ever since nung bata pa ako, panaginip ko lang maglaro dito. Ngayon, or bukas pala. Ano yung my dream will come true. Ano sa Tagalog yun? Ano sa Tagalog my dream will come true? Matutupad na rin ang aking pangarap. Dito muna tayo sa driving range. Nagpa-practice na yung mga kasama natin. Mukhang magaling tong ito, tingnan nyo. Nagpakita ang gilas. Next. Mga magaling. Tapos yung pinaka veterano nandun, no? Wow, mukhang matatalo tayo na ito. So that's the roof deck kitchen. And on top. Tapos, this is how we're going to enter the gate. Mukhang hindi tayo kasya dito.
Kaya ba? Kaya?
Ayun na si Uncle. So relax. That's it, right?
Siya ba yung manghihilot mo?
Hindi, sana hindi. Gusto ko mas matanda para mas magaling. Okay guys, welcome to the roof deck kitchen. Where we shall have fun. We are back at the roof deck kitchen. Neri, kamusta ka? Nakapahinga ka? Ay, pahinga ka. Tuloy-tuloy kayo. Ganda, no? Ayos yung kusina niya, no?
Yes, sir.
Hello!
Hello, chef.
Wow! Gumanda! Ganda! Wow, plant game strong! Hi! Hi! Aioli! Hi! Hi guys! Oh, it's beautiful here. Hello, hi. Hi, how are you?
Miko.
Hello!
Hey buddy, how are you?
I'm good. He scrambled it for me.
We have the same hat.
Hard, huh?
Nagluto ka ba?
Magluluto. pork belly from the good meat. It's really good. Garlic. Patis neri. Lagyan natin konting pineapple juice.
What's that?
It's coffee garlic.
Coffee and garlic, it says.
Yeah.
Chef JP, kainin chef tonight.
Hi. Good evening. Welcome. Welcome sa bahay. Sa kusina ng kaibigan ko. It's ground coffee. So mamaya i-strain ko na lang siya. Dami. Sige lang, sige lang.
Kailangan mo ng beer, di ba?
This is beer.
Beer, tapos raw garlic, and then dito natin lulutuin yung mussels. Ito yung mussels na iluluto natin sa beer. Coriander, spring onions, parsley, roughly chopped lang.
Bango.
Tapos ang gagawin ko lang, lagyan ko lang siya ng... lagyan ko ng... May sun-dried tomatoes dito si Chabi. Actually, product niya to. So, magcha-chop lang ako ng sun-dried tomatoes. It's so good, these tomatoes. Thank you, thank you. Wow. Dito yan galing?
Sarap i-vinaigrette din yun.
Oh my god, I'm so hard. Carry.
May olive oil pa. Yung shrimp, Neri, ibuksan mo na lang. Tapos, mamaya iihawin lang natin yan mabilis. Tapos, ito yung pinaka-sauce niya.
Nanay, dalawa na.
Try nyo, try nyo.
Alam mo kung anong masarap with that? Babe, alam mo anong masarap with that? Queso de bola.
Ano?
Sweet salty.
Ano to? Jay. Coconut water. So yeah, I know, right? Beer, coconut water, sun-dried tomatoes, garlic. Oh yun, may hinulog akong shrimp. Konting coriander. Alright, they're here.
Our other guests are here. Hello. Hi, Shiloh.
Si Camille tumulong na sa kitchen. Dito kami magpapakulo ng ating mussels. Ay, hulog. Butter, coconut meat, parsley, chili garlic, soy sauce. So, shrimp that was poached in the cooking liquid. Then, dinrop na ni Neri yung mussels. Sandali lang to, mabilis lang to. Okay. So, i-plate na namin yung mussels, which meron siyang, hindi ko alam kung ano ito. Basta ginawa lang namin to. Parsley, coriander, spring onions, olive oil, sun-dried tomatoes, berries, passion fruit, salt. And topping namin siya on the mussels. Our dining table here. And then, ito yung spread natin. Pupunin natin ito mamaya. And, grilling section. Yan. So there's two kinds of grilled meat. There's two kinds of grilled pork.
Steak.
So, pepper lang yan.
Diyan natin.
Butter lang yung katapat. That's tofu. Hi. Yo.
You know who's your number one fan?
Oh, thanks, buddy.
Akala ko magmamagic ka.
Ito na nga.
Reverse magic, tinakpan din.
Sorry. That's water chestnut.
Yes. Ang gong ay napaka-importanting instrumento dito sa amin here na Cordilleras. So when we hit the gongs, it means that we are celebrating something. Today, we celebrate life, friendship, food, dogs, children, family, lahat-lahat na. Magandang gabi ulit. Napakaikling kwento. Ako muna, tapos si JP. Okay? The Roof Deck Kitchen is a product of yung travels ni Mountain Man pre, during, and after the pandemic. So, while we were doing our travels, immersing ourselves with food, the culture, and the community, tinamaan ako. That was one particular place in Kiangan, Ifugao. I was with JP. I was crying. I didn't know why.
By the river.
By the river.
Nag-breakdown ka.
Nag-breakdown ako. I didn't know why.
After this, we made this.
This one. And then when we came home, me and my wife said, why not share the experience nung na-experience namin doon with everyone. So hence, naging mas klaro yung mission namin in life. So we will do this for the rest of our lives. So tonight, plus JP's dishes, you're gonna experience Cordillera inspired
I have a
dishes.
question for Arno.
Yes.
What did Tito JP say? What did Tito JP say?
When?
Do it.
Do it now and do it here.
Yeah. Okay.
Wow.
I was supposed to open something else in town, and then JP says, cook Filipino food, do it here and do it now.
Nice.
Ride that wave. So until now, we are riding that wave. Wala ito kung wala yung last push kay Japes. Parang
Parang
ako lumulutang ako noon eh. Ang dami kami ng ayos ng restaurant, ganito, ganyan. We were spreading ourselves outward, forgetting ourselves.
Nandito. Huwag ka na tumingin. Huwag na malayo yung tingin. Nandito yung magic. And I guess we said that before Kiangan, before Chavi broke down. And then the reason why he broke down, I think, is when we cooked by the river, he realized na, oh my God, this is it. This is what I'll do on my roof deck. So, sometimes it's just under your nose. He's a good guy, very, very talented. Hence, we are all here to experience his talent. Meal, sorry, stutter na rin ako kasi. There's so many emotions in my head. This is a gift that Chavi wants to share with everyone. And so here we are, and let us eat.
Maranta ko! Okay. So, okay.
Oy, look ko.
Hoy!
Hi,
Hoy!
Hello!
Nakakaiyak.
Volume
Live ba yan?
Live.
Live ba to?
Live, my God.
Live!
Oh my God. Oy, tingnan mo. Tingnan mo.
Yan yung na-miss.
Na,
Tingin.
tingin. Siya gusto makita. Yung pagkain, yan Ay!
Okay, bago tayo kumain, meron kaming pangatlong ritual. We call it atang. Here in the parts of our mountain, our ancestors are very important to us. So we call it atang. Walang tayo ng maliliit na portion ng spread and then we offer it to the altar.
Put it
Then we can
here.
Ginamit niya yung kangkong as a steaming mechanism. Watercress na.
I suggest you get the big plates. The soup is ready. Everything. So
Uy, kain muna kami. Kain muna kami.
Hi guys.
Bye-bye, bye-bye. Minsan lang kasi to, yung ganitong view. Ang ganda, lahat masaya. No? So, ang saya ng gathering natin. Actually, lahat, well, ito yung group namin. And then yung doon sa kabilang group, hindi namin sila kilala. Pero yun nga, para nagsama-sama lang dahil sa pagkain. And dahil sa kay Chavi, syempre, gusto nila pumunta dito. And gusto ko lang kayo pakilala. Meron tayong isang kaibigan. What's your name? What's your name?
Rico, this is my schoolmate Araw.
Okay. And then I heard you watch all my cooking videos.
Yeah, especially the one where it rained and rained and rained a lot.
That was your favorite episode?
Yeah.
Okay.
All the episodes.
Okay. So Miko, we'll end this vlog. So Miko, you say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to him and his friend Chef Chabi who
Yes.
invited us for dinner.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you, Miko. All right, you have a great day, okay? Maraming salamat, brother. Thank you so much. Halika.
panghabang buhay na to.
Naman, dapat.
Habang buhay.
At saka habang buhay.